Born in Cornwall, William Golding started writing at the age of 7. His debut novel, Lord of the Flies, was published in 1954 by Faber and Faber. At first it sold fewer than 3,000 copies, but by the 1960s it was a huge bestseller and required reading in many schools. Faber and Faber didn't originally think Lord of the Flies was worthy of publication, but an editor named Charles Monteith fought for the book, championed it, and won. Lord of the Flies has been adapted for the big screen twice. The first adaptation, in 1963, was released by Peter Brook, and it's the version thought to follow the book most closely, and it had quite positive box office success. The second adaptation was in 1990, put out by Harry Hook, and did not meet with quite the same success as the first. Lord of the Flies is a classic example of allegorical fiction. What that means is the main underlying message of the book is communicated through symbolic features, actions, and representations. Golding studied natural science at Oxford University, and within the text of Lord of the Flies, he alludes at several points to human evolution, with the boys' discovery of fire and tools and the creation of their social system. Lord of the Flies also had an impact on popular music. Rock band U2 borrowed the title for the last track of their debut album, Boy, called Shadows and Tall Trees, from Chapter 7 of the book. As well, in 1995, heavy metal band Iron Maiden released a song called Lord of the Flies. The book has won many awards, including being named by Time magazine as one of the top 100 best English-speaking novels since 1923. The title Lord of the Flies has two meanings. The first is a direct reference to Shakespeare's King Lear with the line, "As flies to wanton boys are we to gods." The second is a direct translation of Beelzebub, which means God of the Flies in Greek, and is synonymous with Satan. William Golding was knighted in 1988. Stephen King cites Lord of the Flies as an influence for many of his novels. To celebrate what would have been Golding's centennial birthday in 2011, he wrote an introduction to the novel.